Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Gold today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Yesterday, gold market opened around 28,460. This is the price opening. Because we often follow the last trading price, the comfortable last trading price, which we get after the price opening, because that is the exact trading zone which we are going to get. These are the zones. You can see this the very long dropped candlestick. These are the zones where we cannot pick a trading. Only if you have placed order this, that the market will execute that orders. Unless until then, whatever we are going to get in the last trading price can be considered as the price opening. Only difference is that we expected gold to continue its downtrend yesterday. But the thing happened is that we expected the market to open somewhere around this zone, but the last trading price happened to be much lower than our expectation. It opened much lower because it opened almost near the previous day's low. So that is the only difference. This cause, if you want to know what caused this type of price movement, is that just a drop in the rupee value. Just you can see where the rupee opened yesterday. So if there is any considerable changes, is any drastic change in the price opening in the Indian currency, then you can expect this type of price movement. But nowadays, trading in commodities market, you need to closely monitor the rupee value also. We will present you few presentations about that in future. Please continue watching this presentation. But one thing we want to make sure, this is why we always say try to follow the trend. Don't have this thought of picking the bottom when the price is dropping, because these type of things will often happen, but fortune will favor the trend. So that is the reason we always go with the trend. Unless until we get a clear confirmation, don't go against the trend. Just wait for the market to go with the trend, and again you can sail with the trend. So let us see what happened after that. What happened in gold market yesterday. So after the price opening around 28,460, you can notice that the price dropped here. So you can see the market continued its downtrend. So the market continued its downtrend and it came down till 28,360, and again it bounced back and tested this 28,460, which is a minor resistance because it acted as a support on the previous day. The market is not going to follow something new for every day. It is going to follow a support and resistance, and we have marked the support and resistance. Always we have this blue color line indicates the support and resistance. So one more question we want to clarify. We have received a lot of inquiries. What is the formula you are using? What is a technical tool we are using to draw the support and resistance line? Because we want to clarify that it is a manually drawn support and resistance. It is not we are not following any tools. Just by dropping this horizontal line, we are drawing the support and resistance. If you want to calculate support and resistance like how we are doing, please contact us. We will surely guide you. So this is the reason why the market 28,460 provided a resistance, just because it provided a platform of support on the previous day to push the market till 28,720. So since this is a major support which acted on the previous day to push the market higher, now it should act as a major resistance. So that is the reason the market just provided resistance one time, and again the market came down. But you can notice this 28,420 is acting as a support, but this 28,480 is acting 460 is acting as a resistance. So the market is consolidating within a band. So for a long time you can see the level of consolidation. This type of consolidation can happen after a very drastic drop like this. So the market tried its best to stay above that, but it couldn't sustain. You can very well notice that now it is important for us to notice 28,420 is acting as a good support for gold market, but the market tried to bounce back, and again you can see the level of selling you have again in the major another resistance of 28,520. If you want to know how we have drawn to pick this 28,520 resistance, please go back to the previous presentations, and you can see that because many times we have insisted why this 28,520 is acting as a resistance. You can very well follow. You can go to our blog website www.onlinecommoditytradingmcx.com, and there we have all the archives, previous presentations. We have more than 500-600 presentations we have. You can follow that up. So after taking a resistance also, you can notice that the market took the support around 28,420. So yesterday is a perfect example for support and resistance, how the market will trade with the support and resistance. So many times we have insisted that trading in gold or silver, both the precious metal, because trading in any commodities or any market, you need to master the support and resistance, but particularly trading in gold and silver, you need to master support and resistance. If you are not mastering support and resistance, then it will be quite difficult for you to go ahead with the other technical tools. So this is the basic structure, support and resistance, or the basic underlying structures in technical analysis. So the market took yesterday, you can see how this support and resistance perfectly followed in a very drastic dropping market. So the market closed around 28,440. You can see this is the price closing, and when we compare it, it is more or less it is a neutral, and it is dominated by the sellers. And today we are expecting gold to open around 28,420, and you can also notice that today we are presenting the videos at very earlier. So around 9 a.m. the market currency market will open, just to see where the market is opening in the currency values. If the opening is bit higher compared to the closing, then you can just comparing with the COMEX price or comparing with the previous day's closing, just correlate that. We will guide if you have any doubt how to correlate COMEX price and the USD value to predict the price opening earlier for MCX. Please contact us, we will surely help you with this. So today we are expecting the price to open around 28,420. And what can be the trend for today? Yes, absolutely, it is going to follow a downtrend for today, and you can go for continue year selling in gold market, having this 28,820 as a major resistance. Now we have decreased our stop loss to 28,820, because previously we are following 28,920. Now we have decreased to 820. Slowly, steadily, when the price is going, we are going to reduce our stop loss zone. Till that zone you can go for selling, but clients may notice that this is a 400 point stop loss zone. So you need to average exactly till the zone on major resistance line which you have marked here. Go and follow all this resistance line which you have marked here, and clients with sufficient funds can make this call, and always try to book profit for the average lots at regular time intervals. So exactly what we are saying is that if you are taking some resistance or some selling around for 28,520, book it at some profit based upon the amount of equity you have in your trading account, based upon the risk reward ratio, money management techniques. Always try to book profit at regular time intervals when you are averaging with the trend. When I say averaging, another query I want to clarify that people say, one of my client have asked that averaging, what about why you are saying averaging is considered as quite a bad technique in trading. Averaging with the trend, we are saying averaging with the trend till that zone is going to be good. So book profit for the average lots at regular time interval, and you can, by following this type of techniques, you can protect your profit, because we have made considerable amount of profit in this week in gold market. Our basic responsibility is to protect your profit, so that can help you protect your profit, maximize our profit, and also the major thing is minimizing our loss. So today also we are expecting selling in gold market, and the major the target zones are 28,360 is a possible target, and 28,320 is likely to be that. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. Kindly follow support and resistance carefully, and take care. Happy trading. Thanks for watching our video. Bye.